Every second counts when the London fire brigades are called out. These are the code letters which order men and machines into action. Almost before the traffic lights change, they'll be out on the road. A sharp heave on the lanyard, and 20 seconds from zero, the pump escapes away. Fire boots and helmets are already on board. Time to don them now the crew's on its way. The drivers are specially tested. They're allowed to exceed the speed limit when driving to fires. Speed plus safety, that's the rule of the brigade. There'd be casualties in plenty otherwise, with up to 20,000 fire calls a year. What he's driving is called a turntable ladder. It carries a 100-foot ladder, a valuable ally at fires in tall buildings. At least 3 appliances are ordered to every call in London. 1 or 2 of these must be a pump escape. In areas of high buildings, there'll also be a turntable ladder. Appliances are ordered from more than 1 station, and to avoid the risk of being held up in traffic jams, they take different routes to the scene of the fire. It's a big blaze, but without hesitation, the team goes into its very heart to fight the flames. A fireman's life is full of risks, but whatever the job ahead, he follows the call of duty whenever the bells go down.